Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this. This one we have 3x squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 9 from number 3 with number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 9. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when x equals to number 1, so we have number 1 from here. So we put number 1 gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 10. When x equals to number 2, so we put number 2 gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to 31. Number 1 we change by number 10. Number 2 we change by 31. This one we change by u. S where the s we change by this one. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to fn of u. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dt equals to du over u. dv that is about du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to u. So we have t multiplied by v. And we put the bounds from number 10 to 31. Minus, we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration from number 10 to 31. So u divided by u, we have number 1. So the integration of du, that is about u. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have 21. And now I will put 4 over 9 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.